Good morning, sir. This is Jeffrey Gotamora. This is my explanation about the output of the code. First thing first, you have to run the, the code to see the output. Okay. This menu likely represents a console-based user interface or program that offers various functionalities. Each option corresponds to a different feature or example in Java programming. First is addition, area of circle, volume cube, area of square, sample, if statement, sample nested if statement, sample do while loop, sample while loop, sample for loop, sample Java array, student profile, and the exit. As we can see here, there is enter your menu choice. So you have to enter numbers from 1 to 12. First, in addition, this option probably allows the user to perform addition operation. We'll try to execute the first number. Number 1 is addition, type 1, and enter. As you can see, this is addition function, and it asks for the first number. Any number from 1 to 9, or maybe 0, but we have to take example 1 as an example. 1, and after entering 1, it also asks the second number. We have to input another number, and I would like to enter 3. As you can see, it calculates the first and the second number. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And we hit the enter to continue, so we can go navigate back to the main menu. As you can see, we navigated back to the main menu. The second one is area of the circle. This option here, this option probably might calculate and display the area of a circle based on user input. And we have to enter 2 to try the area of a circle menu. Here, enter radius in cm. We have, I would like to enter 9. So, the area of a circle is 254.34. And we have to enter again to navigate back to main menu to try the volume of cube. Okay, after entering, hitting enter, we are navigated back to main menu, and we will take the volume of a cube. This likely calculates and displays the volume of a cube. So we will choose number 3 to try this. As you can see, find the volume of a cube. Enter the side of a cube in inches. We will use 2 inches to represent the side of a cube. So the volume of a cube is 8.0.0 in inches cube because it is 3. 3 means cube. So we'll hit enter again to navigate back. Now we have to try the area of a square. This option may involve calculating displaying the area of the square. So we'll try this one. Enter 4. Enter. It says that find the area of a square. Enter the side of a square in centimeter. Yan, hit 2 as an example. So the area of a square is calculated, and this is the output, 4.0 centimeter squared. And we'll hit enter again to try the sample if statement. Enter 5 and enter. It says that check if number is odd or even. What if we will enter 7? It will display it's odd in our expectation. So the number is odd, 7. Enter. Next is nested if statement. We'll choose number 6. Enter. Check the score result. We have to enter, I think I have input 100. So it displays congratulations, you passed the exam. What if we go back to nested if statement again, number 6, and we will enter 60? It displays sorry, you failed the exam because it is 60. That's the nested if statement. Sample do while loop. Sample do while loop demonstrates the use of while loop while repeats a block of code while a specified condition is true. It's do while loop. We will input 7. Number of range in do while loop. Enter first number. Our first number is 4. And the second number is 8. It displays 4, 5, 6, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Because the gap between them is 5, 6, and 7. And enter again. We will use while loop. We will enter 1, the first number, and the second number is 10. It reversed. The input is reversed. And we have to enter 9. Sample for loop. This option demonstrates the use of for loop, a loop that iterates a specific number of times. We'll try this one. Sample for loop. Input 9. number of range in while loop. First number is 1 and second number is 10. 13579. That's the output from for loop. Enter again. And the number 10, we will input number 10 for sample for Java array. Java array is probably introduces or demonstrate the use of arrays in Java, which are used to store multiple values of the same type. So let's try this one. Sample Java array. I chose that. Print the array of characters in reverse form. So we will expect reverse form. We have to enter word size. So I think I have to input 5. Character array index is 0, 0, 1, 3, 4, 6, and the fourth word size is 8. Characters in reverse format is 8, 6, 4, 3, and 1. It reverses the numbers we have input in the character array index. Enter again. In number 11, it says student profile. This might involve feature where user can input and view information about the student. We will input 11 as student profile. It asks for full name. Let's say, for example, my name, Jeffrey Utamora. And ask for gender, male or female. But you have to enter initials only. Choose M. Course, BSIS. Year level, we have to input 1 because I'm the first year. Enter grade in C11. I don't know what is my grade, but I will input 1.9. Grade in English, I have no English subject, but I will enter 1.5. I have no HL also, but I have to enter 1.7. Enter grade Filipino. I have Filipino subject. I have to input 1.5. This one. And math, the harder one, 1.9 maybe. And for PE, I think, to be honest, I have to input 2.8. And humanities, I have to input 1.3. And social science, I have social science, I have to input 1.6. And As you can see here, uh, we have an average grade 1.8, which is calculated by the code, and it added all the sum of all subjects grade divided by 8, because the subjects are 8 and the output is 1.8. And also it prints the remarks, congratulations, you are eligible to advance the next year level. That's all. Thank you.